Hey Gabe, this is day 5 or Friday. This will be 8-5 lesson if you're following along with that. We're going to be working on estimating and we're going to be using our number line. Okay, so for estimating what you're doing, remember you could be subtracting or adding for estimating. Your answer does not have to be exact. We're just looking for close. Okay, that's what estimation is. So if I were to use this number line, or your number line in front of you, I'm going to give you the number, we have the two numbers 78 and 24. So 78 is here and 24 is here. Which one is closest to a 10? Is 78 closest to a 10 or is 24 closest to a 10? Obviously, it's 78 is closest to a 10. How close is it? How many more would we need to count up or down to get to the next 10? We would need to count 2 up to get to the next 10, which is 80. 78, 79, 80. Whereas on 24, going up or down, we would either count 4 to go down to 20 or 6 to go up to 30. So definitely 78 is closest to the next 10. Now you're going to be using that knowledge today by figuring some of these out, but let's go ahead and practice a little bit more to make sure we get it. What about the numbers 18 and 41? So 18 is right here, 41 is right here. Pretty visual even on that one. Obviously it's the 41 because it's closer to 40. You wouldn't go all the way up to 50 because it's not close, but 40 is closest. Now 18 is very close to 20, but it's 2 away rather than just 1 away, which is 40. Okay, again, you can go down or up, whichever would be showing you the closest to that 10. And then what about 52 and 63? 52, 63. I would say 52. 52 is closest to 50. Then 63 is closest to 60. 52 is closer. Last one's 96 and 32. 96 and 32. 32 is closest to the next 10. 96 you'd have to count up 4, whereas 32 you'd just have to go down 2. Okay? So that is what we're looking for. Now, when you are using the guessing for your activity today, you're going to be thinking of that number line and which one you're going to choose that has the one that's closest to the next 10. And you're going to be adding or subtracting, however you want to look at it. Okay, so if we have 2 ribbons, one is 28 inches long. Can you see that? And one is a little bit longer, and it is 85 inches long. Which one is closest to the next 10? Is it going to be 28 or 85? It's 28. Okay, we go up 2 to get to the next 10, which is 30. So we have this one estimated to 30, and this one stays at 85. We're not going to mess with that one, okay? So if I am trying to tell you, if my question to you is, these are 2 pieces of ribbon, different lengths, then my question to you, Gabe, is, what is the difference between these 2 ribbons? Well, we can do the exact math, but if we just want an estimate, a guess, then we're going to go ahead and round up or down to one of them, leave one the same. So now our equation looks a little bit different. I said difference. What is the difference between them? So we're going to subtract and then put that number in there that we went ahead and changed for our guess to make our guessing a little bit easier. Now you are very good at this, Gabe. 85 minus 30. You're just taking 3 tens away. Take 3 tens away from 85. Your answer is 55. See how you came up with that? And that is what we are looking for. Okay, so 55. So we can do it again with different numbers. Let's say we want to know the difference between 72 inches and 45 inches. Which one is closest to the next 10? 72 or 45? 72. So that is actually 70. 45 stays the same. 70 minus 45 equals, ooh, what do you think? Now we're taking 4 tens away, but we've got to do that borrowing right there. You see that? So if you're not sure how to do it, you can always count on too. We can 45, 55, 65, 75. Oops, can't do 75. So take 1 away, and I have 2 tens and 5 ones. So it's 25. There you go. That's what you're doing. So your work today, you are going to practice writing that equation, what it looks like after you estimate it, and then what your answer is. Okay, so it's going to be opposite. And then on your other page, you have story problems where you have to actually figure out which number is to the closest 10, and then use that number and subtract it from the other number, or the other way around, however you want to look at it. All right, have a good weekend. Bye-bye.